Hello editors, today I'm going to teach you how to make this ripple effect in CapCut. But before that, like and subscribe. I will appreciate that a lot. Start off by adding the overlay. You can download it from my Discord server in many different variants and colors. Link in the description or comments. Scale it all over the clip and move it just like me. Head to Splice and choose Filter. If you haven't cropped the clip, do it, and don't forget to center it, because as soon we will be attaching the effect, it wouldn't be in the right place we want. Go to Effects, Distortion, and insert the ripples effect. Place it approximately like me. Settings depends how long is your clip. Twist, I would keep it 100, you can change it though. I would most likely experiment with speed, but let's say 20 to 50, something between that. After that, add shake effect. Place it just like me, where the transition is. Change the object to all, apply 3 keyframes, and for the middle one, make speed 25 and intensity 35. The others keep everything at 0. Same do to the oblique blur. Settings for the middle keyframe doesn't really matter. Make the blur however strong you want. For graphs, easy in and easy out. For the shake, use easy in, and for the second, either no graph or easy out. How to make the reverse ripple effect? It's simple. Copy the overlay, place it to the previous clip, and reverse it. And done. Hope I helped you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more editing tutorials like this. See you next time. And let me know what tutorial should I do next. Thanks for watching.